Talk. Oh yeah, welcome to our channel again. Father and son team. This is my son, Ajit. And today we're going to be working on a BMW E31.
This is the E31 that we've been working on together, with the goals of reaching the car back to its former glory, whilst also becoming the best father and son mechanics.
And what we're going to be doing on that is replacing brake actuator, or the brake bomb, vacuum bomb, whatever it is, various different names. That basically I rebuilt the brakes on there. See on one of my previous TikToks, and the brakes are all fine, but there's no pressure on it. I spoke to a good mate of mine, and he reckons it's one of those. So anyway, since it's an old car, so I'm going to do it anyway, and then we'll see if it's the master cylinder after that. But let's crack on with it. Start changing this over.
Right, so I started off by jacking up the car and taking the wheels off to get access to the brake accumulator, and I've also got to remove the wheel arch lining, which shouldn't take long. Let's get to it. We've got all the wheel arch covers off. We get access to the vacuum bottle, which is what we're replacing now, right here. As you can see, it's in a small area, so it's going to be quite hard to get to. I think we'll manage. After finally reaching the brake accumulator, we can start by loosening the bolts with a 13mm ratchet, finally getting the old brake accumulator out and replacing it with the new.
Gonna undo these. There's gonna be a little bit of oil coming out of them, but not much. Everything is sealed, so there shouldn't be a lot of oil dripping. We will have to bleed the system again, but that's last thing. Open ring spanner with the best job for this. Hopefully it might not open, might break, but they've been shut for like over 20 years, so it's gonna be a very hard job to get them opened up. Maybe let's put this bolt back in. Now just hold it there for a little while. Oh, that's good. That one's fine. Right, next one. No. WD-40 on that.
Got some WD-40 now, and we're just going to spray it over here to loosen them.
Spray it, bro. Not there, just on the nuts there, that's it, yeah, just leave it.
I'm just going to let it sit for a while now, just to loosen them up. I'm going to spray more WD-40 on it now, after letting it sit. Just going to make sure they get nice and loose. There you go. Just going to let it sit for a little bit more longer.
Right, let's give it a go, see what happens. Oh yeah, that's good. Right, the bolts are undone. Take this out. It should. There's another bolt right at the back there.
Another bolt.
Right at the back. Got to remove these washers from the old one and put them in the new one, because the new one didn't come with it.
And the washers out. needed them too, because the new one didn't come with them for some reason. So you just need to clean them off, put them on there.
The seals that come off, a bit of degrease.
Degrease this one. Yeah, just that's
I believe the old one might have been leaking, so I did try to clean it out with the pressure washer many times, but it didn't work. So a bit of degreaser, agitate it, and it should come off nice and clean. Okay.
So it looks like after the degreaser, it's been wiped down.
Need to transfer the washers over onto this. Cleaned with the degreaser again. This one goes on the front, the little one, and the big one went on the back. Push it in. Perfect. There we go, and the other one.
Where's the other one?
In there. There's the new one and the old one. Looks like the old one was leaking anyway badly. It's got a lot of crap on it. Right. Let's put the back one, slide the back one in first, and then it should just swing over. There we go, that goes in there. That one goes in there, there we go. Put the bolt on it very, so you don't cross thread it. Okay, and the other bolt, here it is. Let me go on the wire wheel and then I'll get a right, here we go. Come back clean on the wheel wash, wire wheel on the grinder, and back in there again, just hand tighten first. And then the other one goes back there. Right, so let's tighten the 13 mils up.
Now time to tighten the brake pipes or brake lines.
Not to over tighten it. There we go. And that's the brake actuator, vacuum bottle, or the brake bomb in. Thank you for watching. Love and subscribe to the channel, and we'll come back with more videos. We've still got the E24 to start building. Have we? Yeah, that's what I said, love and subscribe. And we've still got the E24 to do. There's loads of videos to come up. But yeah, see you again soon. Bye. So bye, man.